Congress workers and all. So as an opposition CLP leader, how do you see this move once your things have fallen in place now?
See, Amit Patkar is the GPCC president, new GPCC president. He is being given this task along with the new committee, that is North and South Goa district. And he working president Yuri Alema, honorable MLA of Kukoli. So let them start the work. And our support and guidance will be there for them to go to the grassroots level people, to revive the booths, to make new booths, to see that the blocks are reconstituted, new blocks are made wherever there are no blocks, and all the booths which are there in that particular block should be in place.
But as far as their committee is, that is Congress party. Your role also will play important in the assembly. So join together effort. How would you do this?
No, assembly, our role will be totally different. These are the issues of Goa and Goa. We will take it up.